Uh, Hi VIPs, welcome to the channel. I am your Tech Pro. Whatever you guys are seeing here, this is the unblurred cheek solution. Today we will discuss how to use this in a proctored platform. Previously, this one I have discussed how to unblur the cheek question without any cheek account. If you guys have not saw that, please check it out. I will provide the link in the description list. I'm sure guys that will be helpful for you. And recently I checked also just to check whether that invitation link has expired or not. No, it is working fine only, so you guys can get the answer properly without any cheek account. So today we will discuss how to create our own shortcut keys. Before discussing a shortcut keys, we need to know what is the use of that. So most of the guys, these cheek solutions will be helpful at the last stage of the time, like 1 hour to complete the test or 15 minutes, like that. So but the platform which we are submitting the assignments, most of them are the proctored platforms. Like it will not allow the user to copy paste the answer. Like look at this. So this is a question, this is a cheap question. I got the question also, and here also I got the answer. So I got the answer. I have some 15 minutes or 30 minutes to complete the test, and these all things we cannot write within 15 minutes. We cannot type it. Even if we type also, maybe because of some small mistakes, the submissions will go wrong. So on that time it would be better if the user, if the proctored platform allow the user to submit the assignment with the copy pasting, but the proctored platform will not allow the user to copy paste the things. So on that time, even if you guys can able to find the answer also, we cannot able to submit. On that time only, we can use the auto text software to create a shortcut keys. So we will see how to create that. So open the Google and type auto text. So this is auto text software. So this is the official website. So you guys can download, and I already installed that. So just you guys can click on that, and then next within some 1 minute only it will download, and I will show you how the screen will looks like. So this is the auto text software, and these are all the shortcut keys. So by default the shortcut keys we have, like for K this will print, and for transit this will print, for T coupe this will print, like that. Just I will show you. I will create one more shortcut key here for T. This is a K, right? Okay, instead of K, for T, if the user need to type, if the user type T, this one need to print. So okay, we will see T. So this has print automatically. So you guys can use this only, like we got this HackerRank answer, and the 5 minutes is left. So on that time you guys can use this auto text software to just copy paste this one here. Just I will do that. Okay, I copy the solution, and just you guys can paste that here, and you guys can give whatever name you guys want. Okay, just P. Okay, P. This is a notepad. Okay, P. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so we copy paste the answer without control V. So the proctored platform will disable only control C and control V. It will not disable the alphabetical characters, so we can use that. But make sure guys, once you submitted the assignment, better if you reset this auto text software, or better to close it, or else you guys may receive the issue like okay, I will just close this. Just I will try to write pencil P. Okay, E, where is P? Okay, instead of P this is rendered. Why? Means the for P we created a shortcut key, this one. So If we type P, this will render. So better this one we can delete or just reset that with the previous value, or just close it. Once you submit the assignment, just close it. Yeah, that's all for the video, guys. Hope you like the video. Whatever I explained now, that is a reality. So please subscribe to my channel and like it and share it. Yeah, thank you.